We have interrupted your normal programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message has been transmitted, at a request of the United States government, along with National Aeronautics and Space Administrations. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 4:31 p.m. Central Standard Time, NASA has discovered asteroid, named 2015 AF56, which is on a direct collision with the planet Earth. Since it was discovered on a late time, there is nothing we can do to stop this. When the asteroid impacts, giant mega-tsunamis will form, giant mega-earthquakes will occur, and the sun will be blocked out entirely for about 30 to 32 years. All species will be extinct by the time the dust and ash fills up the Earth's atmosphere. Get to an underground shelter, and brace for the end. This is the EAS guy, Tom, signing off for the final time. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system.